All right, everyone, exciting updates here for you. We started plumbing yesterday, and today we started electrical. So let's take a look. All right, we're gonna start in the basement. We'll start with the plumbing. Here we have a sewer line patched into the main sewer in the basement. So they ripped out that old cast iron, patched this PVC into it, busted through my wall. We got another big ass hole right here. That's gonna be for this bathroom. They're gonna come through on this side, go down through this hole, and then over to the other side. So we got lots of PVC going here. We got this main sewer line coming down. I know you guys can hardly contain your excitement on all this stuff, but I like this stuff. So this line runs over to where the kitchen sink will be. And then this line comes up through the stairs, wraps around, and up to our new master bath. Look at those fancy junctions. Okay, take a quick peek over here. This one goes to the kids' bathroom. You can see the tub peeking its way through. And then these drains will come down. Surprised they were actually able to get this to fit into the wall. I don't know. Might have to pad that out a little bit. I don't know if Adam's gonna be happy about that one, but we'll see. Downstairs bathroom. Fresh new pipes. New shitter hole. Let's see, we got some wiring coming on over here. And it looks like they ran all this through the first floor ceiling to get from room to room upstairs. We're directly below the boys' room right now. And it snakes over here, up into the master. So now, let's make our way upstairs. I like their instructions that they leave on the walls. Somewhat legible. I know what that means. A lot of progress on the electrical front up here. Let's take a walk into the girls' room. Holy outlets, Batman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a Cat 5 drop or a Cat 6 drop there. Another outlet. 1, 2, 3 more. More instructions. I don't think they're counting the number of days that they've been here. This must mean something else. Closet switches. What do we got up here? We got our ductwork. HVAC guys were only here for one day. They put in the ductwork upstairs in the attic. We haven't seen them since. I'm hoping they come back. What else we got? So boys' room. Boys have 2 network drops in here. Plenty of outlets as we pan around. Looks like they chipped out some of the framing to fit these switches. Okay. Let's make our way over to the bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. We got our new El Cheapo tub. 54 inch. This is a small little guy. Snuck it right in there. We got outlets over here, outlet and switch. Fancy temporary wiring. Toilet. And now we're into the master suite. This is where my desk is gonna be. So I got 4 plugs there. and Cat 6. Another outlet there. And where'd they put the outlets in here? So we got 1, 2. That'll be good on either side of the bed. We got closet. Yeah, we got closet switches. One there, one there. We got some outlets in here. That'll be interesting because we do plan to put in like a little built-in bench seat here. So I'm wondering if we'll have to adjust those. Maybe that's why they didn't wire them yet. We got another outlet there. And then here we are in the master bath. More plumbing. Looks like they got the vent line run up to the attic. And we got a hole drilled for the shower. And that's about it. So things are moving along. We will update again when we've made a bit more progress.